Hello and welcome back to 10 quick tips to help you get the most out of ChatGPT. This next tip has to do with making sure that you are getting accurate information from ChatGPT. You may have heard that some people say that it hallucinates. That means that if it's not sure and it has to answer you, it might make up responses. So something that I find is a great way to get around this is to tell it specifically to search the web and also to cite its sources. So as you can see, I'm asking it here, how to identify and target my ideal customer. And then I specifically tell it, search the web for the most recent info and advice and cite your sources. So then it's giving you actual information from the web. And then if you click here, if you hover, you can see it gives you a preview. And if you go on and click on it, it takes you to the article where it got its information from. So this is a great way to make sure that you're getting more accurate and relevant information out of ChatGPT. Now, one thing to be aware of with this tip is that this unfortunately is not available in the free version of ChatGPT. It cannot search the web, so you can only do this in the paid version. If you'd like to see more of our content in the future, be sure to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive notifications. If you need a little extra help learning about ChatGPT and how to leverage it for your marketing, visit technologytherapy.com to partner up with a mentor who can walk you through step by step.